So I was asked in a comment about the Xbox 360 and which Xbox 360 was the best one to buy, and this is my answer. The Xbox 360E was released in 2013, while the original Xbox 360 was released in 2007. So this is why I personally recommend the Xbox 360E. It might not be the most powerful Xbox 360 console, but it was just when the Xbox One was just getting released when the Xbox 360E came out. At the time when it was getting released, a lot of people were wondering why would they release a brand new Xbox 360 just before the Xbox One. Well, 10 years later, it's actually proven to be the best Xbox 360 to buy. So the reason why is because it has an updated look in terms of the actual console, but in terms of the actual build quality, like, it is the best build quality overall in time. Just because, one, the matte black finish at the bottom is pretty smooth and it's a great material and it's very rugged. In terms of the top, yeah, you'll get a few scratches because it is the shiny finish at the top, but overall, like, the ruggedness of the console actually will last you a very long time. It's also pretty dust effective. It does have plenty of air ventilation as well. So we've got air vent over here, and air vent at the bottom. So yes, dust will get in, but it seems pretty easy to clean. In terms of it being the latest Xbox 360, that's why I prefer it, because it is one of the later models of the Xbox 360. Once again, it's not going to be the most powerful Xbox 360 out there, but it's definitely the most up-to-date, which is why I recommend the Xbox 360E as being the one to buy for you guys because of the look and everything. This is not a video talking about whether it's worth playing or not. It's more talking about a buying guide of which Xbox 360 is the one to get. And in terms of price, super affordable. It's under $150. You could probably get one for around $100. So that's why it works super well. In terms of its ports, it will have, two USB ports at the front. It's got the touch over here as well, and super up-to-date look. Reminiscent of the Xbox One as well, so it's really good. At the back, we've got our power connection over here. We've got plenty of USB connections as well. Got your Xbox Connect connections, got your AV connection, HDMI connection. We've got more than enough connections over here as well for all your Xbox 360 accessories. It's a more up-to-date model as well, so I would say the Xbox 360 is absolutely worth it to be the one to go for, because when we look at some older Xbox 360 models, for example, showing wear and tear over time, this one does not show much wear and tear over time, and I've seen a couple of Xbox 360Es, and for example, like, they don't show much wear and tear over time. It's a great model to buy, very reliable, and it's only 10 years old versus like the original Xbox 360, which is going to be more than 15 years old. So if we look at it like that, absolutely, once again, 360E is the one to go for.